Okay, on this video we shall be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro 256GB this green model. I don't know what it's called. So, came easily out of the plastic. Here's the phone. Looks very nice. Still comes with some sort of instructions, Apple stickers. This one is the older one, so it comes with the USB-C charger, the headphones for the Apple's port, lightning port I think it is called. Here's the USB lightning port charger, but this one only works with the USB-C ports. And that's pretty much what's inside the box. And we also bought the covers for it and the glass protection kit for the screen protector. It says it's waterproof, but I wouldn't trust these